Hey guys, it's me again. Hey, I just getting ready to get set up and do another video of the rear seat install. But before that video, I took this thing out for a little spin, and I haven't done anything else to this 36-volt cart other than put these wheels on from what I showed you in the last speed test video. So I put these wheels on, and I just took a little test run in it, and I was pretty impressed. I'm gonna take you on a little ride and show you the results I got with the little GPS app on my phone. I was surprised what this little 36-volt motor could actually put out. Alrighty, so let's get going. Got some traffic coming here, but got my speedometer going. Let's wait for these cars to pass. Go ahead. That was a bumpy 30 miles an hour, let me tell you. But we got 30 miles an hour. Now I got to see if I can find my microphone I lost. All right, I'm gonna see if I can rig a little bit better of a setup here. I'll hold this here somehow. Check this out. My reverse got so much quieter when I put that tape on there. All right, let's go see if we can get another run and not be so bumpy with the way I was holding it. And I'm apologize right now for the sound. Actually, I'm probably gonna turn the sound off because I don't have my microphone and it's pretty windy and cold out here. Speed right here, per se, I have a stop sign right up ahead. All right, speed test from stop with a 36-volt EZGO motor with a DC house 51.2 volt battery, 100 amp hours, and Navitas controller and an upgraded solenoid. All right, so we got 30 miles an hour again, so let's see my top speed is 30 miles an hour. All right. Hey, cool bonus, I found my microphone on that trip too. Don't know where the magnet went, so now I'm down 2 magnets on these things. Don't know if I can recommend these or not. They're good little microphones, but I keep losing the magnets. The magnets aren't strong enough to keep them like on your lapel or on your hat, so I keep losing them. Oh, I forgot to mention, hey, thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos and go with this build. I appreciate all the subscriptions and the likes and the comments I've been getting, and any other ideas y'all might have for future things to do to this cart and other builds. It's about to be lawnmower season, so there'll be some other small engine stuff coming up to get ready for that season. Also forgot to, just in case you didn't see the other video, there's another video posted where I kind of show you what all I did to this thing, but just for a quick purview, I got 22 miles an hour initially on this thing with the small tires that it had on it. Not initially, but once I did the upgrade to the DC house battery, the Navitas controller, which I'm sure is probably the primary thing that's really helping out, that and the battery, and then the solenoid. I got a 400 amp that can handle 600 amp solenoids for short durations. So I did all that. I got 22 miles an hour out of it with the small wheels that were on it, and then I just did a lift kit on it and put bigger wheels, 23-inch tall wheel tire combination. And just from doing that, I went from 22 miles an hour all the way to 30 miles an hour that you just saw in this video. I haven't tuned this Navitas controller yet to accommodate for these larger tires, but 30 miles an hour is plenty fast on this little thing. It's a bouncy ride with these stiff shocks and stuff like that, and I don't have the some weight on the back, so we're gonna remedy that next by putting that back seat on there. Thank you very much.